guys, back to doghouse today. Going to continue on with the box. I got those strips that go along the sides of the box. I got them painted up last night. So what I'm going to try to do now is lift the box up and either lift the box up or I lay in the box, one or the other, because I got to tack weld them along the edges, and hopefully it works out. I'm at my wit's end here. I'm getting frustrated, and I'm supposed to be having fun, but I want to meet this deadline, and I don't think I'm going to do it. It's supposed to be ready by next weekend. I can't see it happening, but you never know. Hopefully. So anyway, let's get to work. I guess that didn't look too good. I guess that's what they call it. Wardrobe malfunction. Anyway, we'll be back, folks. What I was going to do is just tack weld these angle plates along the side of the truck, and that should be all right. Here, we're just going to pop a couple holes here. One there, one here. There we go. Oop. Spot through those. I got them all marked. And then we'll get to. Hey guys, back to the doghouse again. Working on the box again, trying to get my wood on the right width. Slowly coming. The thing is, I got to try to find the proper width between each board, so that the steel will fit down inside of the boards. Plus, they have to be evenly spaced so that it doesn't look stupid having a wide board and a little board along the edge. But anyway, surely to God I can get it all figured out today. If not, I'm just going to throw gas on and burn it. But anyway, I got enough equipment here anyway. Sure to God with the planer here, or rotor I should say. Got my saw set up, got my welding torches, and got my truck. Between all this here, I should be able to get it together. But there's no guarantees. But anyway, we'll get some boards routed, get them spaced out. I got a bunch of test pieces anyway, so at least I won't be wasting all my boards. So anyway, let's get at it. Okay, I'm going to do something here. Okay, I'm going to cut some test pieces here. I don't want to cut the full length of the board and find out it's a little bit too wide or whatever. So anyway, cover your ears. Take my chest pieces, bring them over the truck, see if they fit. I hope they do. friggin' mosquitoes. Anyway, what I got going on here is, might seem a little strange, but here's all my boards that the battery in my mic must be going. I lost my mic again. Anyway, what I'm saying here is that the strips are 1.5 inches wide, and what I'm doing with the blocks, I got 2 3/4 inch blocks, which equals 1.5 inches, and I'm putting them in between the boards to see if my spacing is right. And if it is off, then I gotta change the width of my groove, and that'll make my boards either space out a little bit more or a little bit less. And I have to get them all equal, so I'm just doing the test run here, and they all worked out really good. Wow, a lot of splinters. That's trouble with the hardwood, eh? Lots of splinters. Oh well, we got her done. Well, I got everything all figured out. All these here are evenly spaced, 1.5 inches. That's how wide the metal strips are, 1.5 inches. So I got 1.5 inches between here and here. This last board on the outside here, I can always do any little adjustments I need just in case the boards are warped or whatever the case may be. But I can go ahead and weld a strip along the side here now. You see that there? The metal strip. I'll weld that along there. I'll just cover up my boards. That way I can lay down here and weld my metal strip, my corner strip, and then I'm good to go. So anyway, next step, get her welded up. Hey guys, well that's enough for today. I got the boards all cut. I got them notched. I got the hardware. So tomorrow, Keith and I are going to finish the box. Hopefully we can get her done. It's almost like a two-man job. One guy above, one guy below. Drilling, screwing. I want that part. Anyway, I'm not too sure about the deadline. It's going to be very, very close. But all you can do is wish me luck. Hopefully I make it. It's just a personal deadline. It's nothing that anybody else has to worry about. Just something I want to get done. And so anyway, thanks for hanging around, guys. I appreciate all your support. And we'll see you in the next one. Keep on wrenching. Have fun. Don't get frustrated like I was yesterday. Have fun. That's what I'm doing today. Bye now.